Hey guys, WeFire88 here with another destruction. This is destruction number 87, and we have this unknown 42-inch footprint bent hugger thing in antique brass. Got the rosewood side down on it. Not in bad shape at all, really, except it kind of looks kind of gross. I used to have this in my collection, and I pulled it out because I don't think I need it. But yeah, small little footprint vent thing. I think it's a Litex. Works perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. It's like basically brand new, honestly, I think. Or it was. But rosewood, oak. But yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Wait, hold on. So as you guys can see, it runs fine, nothing wrong with it. Just gonna smash it. Wow. Okay, you can use that. Holy cow. Hold on. We gotta get the blade fender 1000 back. Now it's really whipping. Oh. Yeah. What the heck was that? Okay, folks, check. Yeah, it's on camera. Oh my god, that was epic. The smell from that, it smells like it's burning. Gross. Okay.
Don't slip and die.
You got it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that one. That was a good one. That's enough of that thing. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.